Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a lot from The Nightmare Before Christmas. So let's get started. To draw this cute trick-or-treater, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So let's come right here and I'll just give myself a point and I'm going to go out and basically draw this kind of widen out teardrop shape and then just bring it right back in. So let's come right across, say about right here, not too far apart, and we're going to draw the same thing. There. And then let's come into the center area about right here and I'm just going to add a little dot. And same thing right here. And then let's come back into this eye and I'm just going to thicken up the edges just to anchor the eye. The outside, I mean. And same thing here. So this is the mask that we're drawing. I just want to thicken this line around the eye. There. And now come above each eye and just about right here, just draw a soft curve. And then let's come right here and we're just going to flick out a curve on both sides. Then from there, let's come straight down, let's say about right here. I'll just give myself a point, nice and low, and we're going to start to draw the nose. So from this point, I'm going to go up. So I'm just going to kind of curve this very widen out V. And then we're going to bring up a little line right here. There. And then let's draw the mouth. So I'm going to come really high up. So let's say right about here, kind of where the eyes are, nice and high. I'll just give myself a point so I know where I'm going. Same thing on this side. And then we're going to draw this really deep curve right underneath the nose. So I'm just going to bring this curve right underneath the nose. This is my center, and then I'm going to go right back up to my point. Then we're going to widen out this smile right here. So I'm just going to thicken it up right here towards the center. And same thing on this side. There. Now we have to put in some teeth, right? So I'm going to come into this area right here and it's just going to start to zigzag some very pointy teeth. And then the bottom ones. So whatever space you have. And then I'm just going to come in here and shade this part all in black so you can see a little bit better. So I hope you've been loving all the new Nightmare Before Christmas characters I've added this year. And so I've drawn Shock, and this is Lock, and then so I still have Barrel to draw. So if you love these characters, definitely check out my playlist, the Nightmare Before Christmas playlist. I even did a new Jack, so hopefully that has helped you if you love this movie. Okay, so now we have the teeth in. Let's go ahead and frame the face. So I'm going to come back to the eye, about the center of my eye. I'm going to come out, say about right here. Same thing here. So I just want to be wider than the mouth, and about there, I'm going to draw this angle line. So let's come down. Just going to go nearer the mouth. We're going to angle this mask, and I'm going to find my center about right here, come down nice and low, say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. From there, I'm going to connect this all the way down to my point. And same thing here. So when you're drawing big, it definitely helps to give yourself points so you know where you're going, where your centers are. There, nice and sharp, right? So then from there, let's go up. We're going to bring this up a little bit higher. This very cool mask, and about right there, I'm going to start to bring it in. So we have these two curves we need to draw at the top. So I'll bring this in to about right here. And round off and bring it down to say about here, and then I'm going to go across. And draw the same thing on the other side. So about right here, I'm going to go up once again, round off the tip, and bring it down. From there, let's come to the top right here. I'm going to draw his hair. So let's find our center about right here, and I'm going to go up and draw these two locks of hair. So we're just gonna wobble out and just bring it curved down. And about right here, I just go ahead and draw a little curve, just so an indication top of his head. So same thing here. Just gonna go up, wobble, and then about right here, just bring it down. There. Okay, so then let's come back to about where the mouth is right here. We're going to draw his ears. Just gonna pop out a curve and then add 2 curves inside for some details. And same thing here. There. Okay, so then now let's draw the body, which is really simple, thank goodness. So we're gonna come to about right here, and I'm just gonna draw the angle line out. So nice and centered, and we're just gonna bring this nice and low for his top, and about right there, just go ahead and connect. Then for his legs, let's come right back to the center, give yourself a point, and we're just going to draw out 2 angle lines, and then another angle here, and connect. So same thing on this side. And then for his shoes, very special shoes, right? So we're gonna come right here, and we're gonna curve nice and deep, come out and up, and curve it in. And then right here, just bring in another curve. So same thing here, come down nice and deep, and then we're going to go up. So about right here, give it that little pointy shoe. And then his arms, so let's come back right about here. We're going to draw some sleeves, nice simple sleeves, just bring it down, across, and then just up. And then for his little hands, just gonna draw a thumb, and come down a little bit lower for some fingers. So same thing over here. I just want to make sure I'm about the same level. So bring this down, drag this down, and about right here. And same thing here, and connect. And then once again, little fingers, thumb and finger. There. And that is pretty much it, except I'll put a little heart here on Locke, just like I did with Shock, and make him my Draw So Cute Locke from The Nightmare Before Christmas. I really hope you love this little character drawing here, and I hope you draw it fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.